Right? So, yan. So this is how it looks like. In action na yung ating keyboard. Okay. Gamit na ng kids dun sa kanilang walang kamatayang Roblox. So magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another video, and in continuation dun sa ating unboxing, ito yung free keyboard na kasama ng ating GPU. So let's also unbox. So what we have here is a Lakshmi mechanical gaming keyboard. Okay, so it comes with a red switches, so it's designed for gaming. And then ito yung itsura niya, no. Maliit lang siya. Di kasi ako fan ng mga ng mga keyboards din, pero meron silang tawag dito kung ano yung kapag maliit lang yung kanyang format or yung kanyang layout. Okay, so this is how it looks sa kanyang front, and then on the top part makita natin dito yung logo ng Red Dragon, and then yung model Lakshmi mechanical keyboard. So what this have, so meron siya kung ano nasa loob, and then on the left side. Okay, so we have here yung kanyang serial number, just a quick introduction, quick view, and yung kanyang bottom part, so almost similar, wala siyang masyadong etc. etc. And on the back part, ito na yun. Yung kanyang itsura, then high precision manufacture, kanyang mga marketing aspects, no? Optimized 61 key design. Okay? So optimized daw, and then double injection key cups, and full key conflict free, and type C to USB na cable. So ito yung mga features. Ayan, some of the features. Kita naman dyan. And what else? So I think that's yun yung outside the box natin. So let's try to open na. Nakaano pa siya rito, meron pang sticker. Let's break this one. Let's cut it na. Saan yan? Okay. And there you go. If you open the box, what we can see from here is yung kanyang mga reserve na red switches, no? So if in case may mag-fail, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meron tayong 5 reserve na switch na pwede natin gamitin to DIY or to replace yung mga damaged na parts. And we also have here yung kanyang USB cable, no? So type C, ito yung kinakabit sa keyboard, I believe, and then USB-A para dun sa inyong mga computers or laptops. And what we have here, we also have itong clip. Okay, kung chane, no, pantanggal ng mga switches ng mga cups niya. Alright, and syempre, yun pa, meron pa pala. Okay, so bago yung mismong keyboard, so ano pa to? Some sort of a user's manual. Ayan. And we also have here yung kanyang promotional na leaflet. Okay, promotional na leaflet. Ready for battle, Red Dragon. Stickers. Okay, stickers. Okay. Then, ito na yung kanya mismong keyboard. So, ligpitin lang natin ng konti. Ayusin lang natin ng konti. Let's remove it. In terms of build quality talaga. Medyo mabigat siya para sa maliit na para sa maliit na keyboard, medyo mabigat siya. So I hope yung weight nito translates dun sa kanyang durability, no? So medyo mabigat, and I hope sturdy din, no, or durable yung kanyang design. So it's completely black. Okay, so try natin i-test. Tama-tama, naglalaro yung mga chikiting. I-testing natin. So okay, so this is how it looks like. Hindi natin mailawan, no? Then Oo nga. Ayan. So, try natin na, capturein natin yung sound. Ibababa ko lang yung mic. Let's try to put yung mic closest dun sa keyboard possible, and then let's do a sound test or sound check dun sa ating keyboard. Okay? So, one more round. Let's do this. Okay. So, yun yung maganda sa red switch kasi yung current na keyboard ko dun sa desktop natin, mechanical na rin yun. It's also using yung red switch. So, I've tried yung red switch tsaka yung blue switch. Yung gamit natin sa work is a blue switch keyboard. Yung blue switch medyo maingay kapag nagta-type, talagang rinig na rinig mo yung mga keystroke. So, yung red switch is medyo smooth and medyo softer yung kanyang mga yung kanyang tunog. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Gawan ko na lang nung separate clip if you wanted to see how this looks. Kasi mukhang may mga pailaw, no? The way, sa bagay, even here, no? So may mga RGB glows siya. So, tingnan natin, pwede bang ma-customize yung RGB nito? Parang wala no? High precision machinery, etc. etc. Green keys can be disabled. So, hindi ko lang alam kung programmable yung kanyang RGB lights. But, let's see. So, gawa ko na lang na separate na video to see how this thing looks like in action. So, that's it for our quick unboxing. Thank you for tuning in and God bless.